Look at this creamy and luscious custard, guys. Today we are making this fruit custard recipe. The recipe is super simple and delicious. Let's begin cooking. First we will heat a pan and add the milk. Here I am using 500 ml of milk, or basically half a liter of milk. Before this heats up, we have to add a few more ingredients. For flavor and color, here I am using a few saffron strands, and for extra creaminess we will add cream. So using a tablespoon, I am adding it twice. So basically 2 tablespoons of cream. You have to add the cream before the milk heats up, otherwise it doesn't mix really well. Stir them together, guys. You shouldn't be able to recognize the cream. After that, we will take a small bowl and make the slurry. Here I am taking about 2 tablespoons of custard powder. This is vanilla custard powder. And now the milk should be lukewarm, so take a few spoonfuls of the milk and mix it together with the custard powder. We don't want any lumps, so make a slurry. It should be lump free. And now we have to be quick, guys. The milk is lukewarm. We will add this to the milk. After adding the slurry, you can give it a quick stir or add the sugar like I am doing right now. This is 1/3 cup of sugar, and now we have to stir this continuously as the flame is high. We don't want this to settle down or form lumps. Continuously stir this, guys, and bring this to a boil. It shouldn't take a lot of time. Once you get a boil, you have to cook this for 1 more minute on medium to high flame so that we can get rid of the raw flavor. Here you can see the custard has been boiling for a minute. This looks good, the rawness is gone, and our starch is also cooked. The consistency is perfect for the creamy custard that we are making today. To quickly check the consistency, you can also run your finger across just like this in the back of your spoon, and where you have run it, it should stay clean and dry. Here you can see the consistency looks perfect. It is a little bit fluidic, but after we chill it, it will be perfect, guys. So let's turn off the heat. We will take it out and transfer it into a bowl. After transferring it to a bowl, we have to cool it down to room temperature for now. To quickly do it, you can place it on a parat or a large bowl and add some water so that we can cool it in a water bath. This way it will cool down in about 30 minutes. Here you can see after cooling down, there is not much of a skin. I mean, many times the custard can form a thick layer on top and then it can get a little bit lumpy. Now we have to add the fruits. Here I am quickly adding the anar, grapes, mango, sapota, apple and kiwi. So in total all these fruits are 1.5 cups. You can also take 2 cups of total chopped fruits if you want to. Any fruit will work, just that when you use a combination of crispy and soft fruits, the taste will be fantastic. After mixing them together, we will place the custard in the fridge for about 4 hours. 4 hours is the minimum and it will get thick, creamy and luscious just like this. Looks heavenly, isn't it? Just look at the texture, guys. I don't have any more words for this, so let's serve it up quick. In summer, especially when you're looking for desserts, it doesn't get any better. You can also add a few nuts on top to garnish it if you want to. Here our fruit custard is ready. In summers, you can't miss this recipe, guys, as I said earlier, so try it out, share feedback with me. I hope to see you soon with one more recipe. That's all for today. Should I do more summer desserts? Do let me know in the comments down below. Bye for now, take care, happy cooking.